Hi everyone, ako po si Kuyang Lito Mubida of the Pangasinan Masonic Lodge number 56 located sa Pangasinan, and presently the Lodge Secretary. I've been the Lodge Secretary for 7 years, also past District Grand Lecturer and already a life member. Mga kuyang, happy 11th year founding anniversary of One Mason. I have been there in Toronto last June and July, so sorry, very unfortunate na I have to be back here in the Philippines for important matters. So I will be back also by next year. So thank you, Kuya Romel, my former Pilna banker, housemate in Cabanatuan when I am still a controller there. Thank you, everyone. Regards. Thanks.